We are outside of 1307 Cactus Avenue, Unit 4A. It's part of a 4-unit apartment building here. It's raining a bit outside, so we're going to start the video here from the door. But you step right into the home, into the living room. You have tile flooring throughout the lower level of the home, except for the kitchen, which has vinyl flooring. But you have a nice sized living room open to a dining area here. You can see the pass through to the kitchen as well. You have a ceiling fan in here. Dining area here, see that pass through. Then on the left side here, you have a half bathroom. So this is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhome apartment. See those tile floors continue into there as well. And then you have a galley style kitchen, electric stove, refrigerator, and dishwasher. And then at the end of the hall here towards the back door, you have a laundry room. You have some built-in shelving above, and then full-size washer and dryer connections. And then you also have access to the backyard, or just the back area of the home. There also is a storage room at the back of the house that's lockable with some decent space as well for storage outdoors. Coat closet here at the back of this hall, and then you have the stairs here. So this carpeting starts on the stairs and goes up to the second level. You have 2 bedrooms and a full bath up here. So no true master in here, no attached bathroom to any of the bedrooms up here, but both have ceiling fans. This one looks out towards the front. Nice sized closet on the other side. Nice sized room as well. Another linen closet here in the hallway. And you have a full bathroom. Sink, mirror, updated lighting there. Shower and tub as well. And then your second bedroom, ceiling fan. And this one has, so it's roughly a little bit smaller than the other one. Has a closet on the side, about the same size though. And then you kind of have this alcove area here. So basically it's sort of like the area over where the stairs comes up, but just using that space for some extra storage or whatever you want to put back there. Could even put a TV. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, this is 1307 Cactus Avenue. This is Unit 4A. It's in the St. Andrews, Broad River Road area of Columbia, convenient to Harbison, I-20 and I-26, and quick commute to downtown Columbia as well. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turningproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.